Hello and welcome to today's video where I'll be talking about the fabulous Momcozy breast pumps. These are wearable breast pumps which allow you to pump wherever you want without the hassle. So if you're wanting to build up a store of breast milk in your freezer, you want your partner to share the feeding so you get a break, maybe you're exclusively pumping or you're trying to boost your milk supply, these breast pumps are going to make a really positive difference to your postpartum feeding journey. So the first Momcozy pump that I'm going to talk about is the S12 Pro. So two pumps come in the box. They're completely wireless and once charged, they fit really neatly into your maternity bra so that you can pump hands-free. So here you can see me getting lots of household chores done whilst wearing the S12 Pro. So you don't have to worry about sitting still and waiting whilst you pump milk. You have freedom of movement and can multitask with ease. The S12 is also great for mums who work from home or are away from their babies for an extended period of time. Expressing milk will keep your supply going and ensure that your baby is still receiving the nourishment and immune boosting properties from your breast milk. The S12 Pro pumps really do give you that freedom to multitask at work or at home while still providing for your baby. The S12 Pro comes with all the things you need to assemble, charge and clean your pumps. They even have these cute little bags that you can store the pumps in. What I really love about the S12 is that it pumps quietly and discreetly. It also has a double seal flange for a snug and closer fit to your breasts, meaning it pumps more effectively and prevents any leakage. The second Momcozy breast pump is the M5 and the packaging is absolutely beautiful. The pumps come in their own little case. This is what it looks like inside the case. In the bottom you've got the two pumps. In the middle section you've got a nipple measuring tool and the set of instructions for use. And in the top zip pocket you'll find the charging and cleaning bits plus two storage bags for the pumps. The M5 pumps have 9 different suction levels for individual comfort and each pump is really lightweight so they fit really comfortably and easily into your maternity bra. The M5 pump is slightly quieter than the S12 pump. It's also a bit smaller so it's easier to leave your house and go outside while still using the pumps. So you can go for a walk and get some nice fresh air, maybe you can do some shopping and go to the supermarket, maybe go to a cafe with friends and enjoy a nice lunch. And you can even use the M5 whilst driving somewhere. So here you can see me about to set off in my car. I've got the M5 pumps in my bra and I can still express milk whilst on my way to work. I'm a really big fan of the Momcozy breast pumps because of their pumping efficiency, the fact that they're hands-free and that they've been designed to fit in around your home life and work life. So if you're after breast pumps that are both affordable and hands-free, the Momcozy wearable breast pumps are certainly worth investing in. If you want to find out more about the S12 Pro and the M5, plus access a saving on both pumps, just check the links in the video description box below for more information. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope that you found it helpful. If you've got any questions at all, let me know in the comments section below and I'll reply as soon as I possibly can. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel because I bring out a new video every single Tuesday to support you through pregnancy, birth and motherhood. Take care and see you again soon.